In a lush, verdant valley bordered by towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Samir. Samir loved to explore the wilderness around his village, but one day his adventurous spirit led him farther than he had ever gone before. As Samir wandered deeper into the valley, he suddenly found himself face to face with a magnificent lion. The lion's mane shimmered like gold in the sunlight, and his eyes, though intense, held a curious gentleness. Samir froze in fear at first, but the lion did not pounce or growl. Instead, he sat back on his haunches and regarded the boy with a calm expression. "Do not be afraid, young one," the lion spoke in a deep, soothing voice. "I mean you no harm." Samir cautiously relaxed a little, intrigued by the lion's unexpected demeanor. "Who are you?" he managed to ask, his voice quivering slightly. "I am Leo," the lion replied with a regal nod of his head. "And what brings a brave young boy like you so far into my valley?" Samir explained how he had ventured out to explore and lost his way back to the village. Leo listened attentively, his wise eyes reflecting understanding. "I know these lands well," Leo said after a moment of thought. "I can help guide you back safely." Relieved and grateful for Leo's offer, Samir followed the lion through the valley. Along the way, Leo shared stories of the different animals that lived there, the playful monkeys swinging from tree to tree, the graceful deer drinking from the crystal-clear streams, and the wise old elephant who knew the secrets of the forest. As they journeyed together, Samir realized that Leo was not just a protector, but also a friend. The lion's presence was comforting, and his stories filled Samir with wonder and curiosity about the natural world around him. After a few hours of walking, they reached the outskirts of Samir's village. Tears of joy streamed down Samir's face as he turned to Leo, overwhelmed with gratitude. "Thank you, Leo," he said sincerely. "I would have been lost without you." Leo dipped his head gracefully. "It was my pleasure, young Samir," he replied warmly. "Remember, courage and kindness can forge unexpected friendships." From that day on, Samir visited Leo whenever he could, bringing stories of his own adventures and learning more about the valley and its inhabitants from the wise lion. Together, they explored the wonders of the wilderness, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. And so, the tale of Leo and Samir spread throughout the village, a story of courage, compassion, and the unbreakable bond between a lion and a boy who became unlikely friends. Leo continued to watch over the valley, offering guidance and friendship to all who crossed his path, knowing that sometimes the greatest friendships are found in the most unexpected places.